Good morning, students. Good afternoon, students. Can I able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Yesterday, have you practiced this derivation? Do you have any doubts? Sorry, you have muted. My dear students, please tell me if you have any doubts on equations of motion.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Explain fourth.
Tell me, you have any doubts on equations of motion derivation?
Sir, explain fourth equation of motions.
Please talk loudly. I can't able to hear.
Sir, explain fourth equation of motion.
Fourth equation, it is not possible to explain. Just distance travel for n seconds minus distance travel for n minus 1 seconds will give the distance travel in nth second. The derivation part will be with you. Just I will explain orally. So you want to find the distance traveled in nth second. So for that, what you are doing, you are just subtracting distance travel from n minus 1 second to distance travel in nth second. So distance traveled in nth second is equal to distance travel for n seconds minus distance traveled in n minus 1 seconds. So S nth is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. So Sn means you have to place S is equal to ut plus half a square. In that you have to place, instead of t, you have to place n. Un plus half an square. Minus Sn minus 1 means in place of t, you have to replace n minus 1. So u into n minus 1 plus 1 by 2 a into n minus 1 whole square. These two equations you have to subtract.
Okay.
Clear?
Thank you, sir.
Any more doubts?
Thank you, sir. No, sir. No doubts.
Sir,
Okay.
can you say one time?
Okay, anyhow, today also you practice derivations. Tomorrow, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay. Shall we go for problems?
Yes, sir.
Right. Sir? 5 minutes is there. Let me wait for 5 minutes till some students are coming and joining.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Problems. This is example problem. So since you are not having textbook, let me write the problem also, and solution I am going to explain. After completion of solution, we will have a discussion on that particular problem if you have any doubt. Mute, sir. Okay. So for problem, example problem. So the problem is at a distance L is equal to 400 meter. At a distance L is equal to 400 meter away from the signal, light, from the signal light, away from the signal light, brakes are applied to a locomotive to a locomotive. Brakes are applied to a locomotive moving with a velocity. Moving with velocity u is equal to initial velocity is given 54 kilometer per hour. Moving with velocity u is equal to 54 kilometer per hour. Determine the position of locomotive relative to signal light, if it is moving with acceleration a is equal to minus 0.3 meter per second square. A is equal to 0.3 meter by second square. So this is the problem. This is problem in example problem. So you can see, well, let me read once again. At a distance L is equal to 400 meters away from the signal light, brakes are applied to a locomotive moving with a velocity u is equal to 54 kilometers per hour. Determine the position of locomotive. Let us first draw the diagram. To draw the diagram, then see here. Solution I am going to write. Solution. One signal post is there, signal light is there. So signal light is signal, just a signal. One signal is there. So I will consider this as a signal. One signal. Hello? 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 చెప్పండి సార్. మీరు 1 అవర్ తర్వాత వచ్చేయండి సార్. నేను ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నాను. 1 అవర్ తర్వాత వచ్చేయండి. Right. So signal light is there. So it contains 3 lights. This is signal light. Signal. This is signal. And this is road. And here at a distance L is equal to 400 away. So 400 meters away from the traffic signal, locomotive means any auto or any vehicle which have engine. Locomotive means any vehicle, automobile vehicle moving with velocity. So here the locomotive is there. It is moving with initial velocity u is equal to 54 kilometers per hour. U is equal to 50, and it is moving towards the lamp post. Towards the lamp post. So here the signal light is there. The locomotive. This is locomotive. Let me write the steps here. Locomotive is moving with initial velocity. It is given in data. So initial velocity. So here it is 400 from here. Now the driver applies the brakes here. The driver will apply the brakes here. And what happens? This locomotive will comes to rest. Locomotive will comes to rest. We don't know this distance, we have to find. Let it be S. So the driver applies the brakes here, it will come to rest here. Now you have to find how much distance the locomotive is there with respect to this distance you have to find. That means L minus S. This distance means from here to here. So locomotive is coming with initial velocity 54 kilometers per hour. So when the driver applies brakes, the vehicle will come up to here. Now you have to find at how much distance is this vehicle from this traffic light. That is the problem. Determine the position of the locomotive with respect to traffic signal. Now let us write the steps. Since the driver applies the brake here, so it will come to rest. That means it is decrease in velocity. Decreasing velocity means deceleration. That's why acceleration is negative here. Now, initial velocity, it is moving with 54 kilometers per hour. So 54 kilometers per hour. Velocity, SI unit of velocity is meter by second. When it is given in 54 kilometer per hour, we need to convert it into meter by second. For that, so U is equal to 54 kilometer per hour. 54, I will transfer into meter by second. For that, I will use. So I have transferred 15 meter by second. I have transferred the initial velocity of the locomotive to meter by second. Why kilometer per hour is not the SI unit? It is the biggest unit. So SI unit is meter by second. In order to convert kilometer per hour into meter by second, we have already discussed that it should be multiplied with 5 by 18. Initial velocity I got. Here, final velocity. Final velocity means it comes to rest. Final velocity of locomotive. Final velocity of locomotive. Final velocity means when the brakes are applied, the vehicle will come to rest. Vehicle will come to rest means its final velocity is 0. So final velocity is denoted by 0. And it is moving with acceleration. How much? Acceleration. How much? A is equal to minus 0.3 meter by second square. Why we got minus means the locomotive is, its velocity is decreasing. That's why we got acceleration is minus from here onwards. Now, you have to calculate the position of locomotive. Position of locomotive. That you have to calculate. Now, you see here, I will take first equation of motion. From first equation of motion, what is first equation of V is equal to U plus AT. So I will calculate first T. I mean, after application of the brakes, how much time it will take for locomotive to come to rest position. So I will calculate T here. So V is final velocity is 0, UV is 15 plus, this is A means minus 0.3 into time. So 0 is equal to 15 minus 0.3. So this will become 0.3 T is equal to 15. T is equal to 15 by 0.3. So that is 15 by 3 by 10. 150 by 3. So after 50 seconds, when the driver applies the brakes here, after 50 seconds, that locomotive will come to rest. Now, let us calculate the distance here, from here to here. Let us calculate the distance of locomotive when it comes to rest. When it comes to rest. So we have to use v square minus u square is equal to 2as. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. Third equation of motion. Here v means final velocity 0, initial velocity is 15, is equal to 2 into a means 0.3 minus 0.3. Yes. So 0 minus 225 is equal to minus 0.6. Yes. S means here displacement. So S minus minus get cancelled. You are going to get 225 by 0.6. So it will come 225. I will write here 225. 0.6 is equal to 225. I will write this one as 6 by 10. 225. This 10 will go up by 6. So you are going to get 375 meters. 375 meters. That means from here to here, S 375 meters. So this distance you have to calculate. From here to here, how much distance? Total length is 400 and it has traveled 375. So 400 minus 375, 25 meters. So the position of here 25 meters from the traffic signal, that you have to write. The position of locomotive is 25 meters from the signal. So this is the, just you see here, once you check here, once you see, let me take the photograph of this problem. Yeah, I have taken. Now I am going to unmute yourself. If you have any doubt, we can discuss on this problem. Anyhow, it is on the board only. Tell me, my dear students, any doubt?
Sir, explain 1 second, sir.
Sir, explain 1 second, sir.
Sir, explain 1 second, sir.
Explain 1 second.
Sir, explain 1 second, sir.
Where you are not
Explain 1
understood.
second.
Explain means where you are not understood. Last, where here,
Yes,
here,
Again, not understood, sir.
where?
Sir, explain 1 second. Only first and third, sir.
Sorry. Here onwards.
Explain.
Where?
Sir,
Tell
why
me
we
where.
should go for first and third equation?
Sir, explain, sir.
We will take here v is equal to u plus ct. We don't know time. At what time it will come to rest. We know v, know u. We know.
Okay, sir.
You tell me any doubts.
Sir,
For your,
how do we know we
Sir,
have to
again, please take v square minus u square formula, sir.
v square minus u square is equal to as. We don't know distance. No, for that I have taken this third equation.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You have any doubts, you can ask me. Sir,
Sir,
focus here.
question, sir.
Problem you see. Once you read the problem, if you have any doubt, I will shift the camera. So L is equal to 400 meters from the signal light. The driver applies the brake, it will come to rest. Now,
Explain
now
last line, sir. Last.
what is the explain? Explain last means?
Sir, 25
what?
meters is come, no, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yes.
Sir, see.
Third equation now.
Okay.
That's one, sir.
V square minus U square is equal to AS. V means final velocity 0.
Okay,
2
sir.
means 15 square. 2 A means it is moving with negative acceleration minus 0.3. Yes, we have to calculate. We got 375. So total distance traveled is from here to here is 375. But we want from here to here. Total is 400. 400 minus 375. This distance will come. So the position of locomotive is 25 meters away from the traffic light.
Sir, if we want to find a distance, we want to use third equation, sir.
Yeah, because V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Depending on the data. Depending on the data.
Depending on the data only, we should take the formula, no, sir.
Because we know final velocity, U you know, A we know. So if you take S is equal to UT plus half a square, you won't get. So you need to take the equation only.
Sir,
Okay.
if we are happy, if we want,
Tell me. Any
sir,
doubt?
if we want to find
If you want to find
two data means what can we do?
two, I am unable to get you.
Sir, sure. Question, sir.
So problem, sir. Okay, na? Tell me, what is your doubt?
Sir, first suppose we should find acceleration, and second, how can we use the formula, sir?
Acceleration means here, first we have to find by what time the vehicle will come to rest. So for that I have used a first equation of motion, that means the definition of acceleration. And after that, how much distance it has traveled, I have taken third equation of motion. And totally, I have subtracted, total length is 400 and it has traveled 375 meters. 400 minus 375 is 25.
25
So the
meters.
position of locomotive is 25 meters from the traffic signal. Clear?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Shall we go for next problem? Shall we go for next?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, one so last side show, sir.
Last slide. This one.
Why you took first
Principal sir
Tell me, somebody is asking doubt. Why you took? Is it okay? Shall I erase?
1 minute wait, sir, writing.
Sir, 1 minute wait, sir.
Okay. Right.
Sir, sir, once explain what is, sir,
What explain?
sir, once explain what equations you want to take when what question they ask, sir.
In order to calculate time, we need, you have taken the first equation of motion. In order to calculate distance, you have taken third equation of motion. First equation and third.
Hello, sir. Okay, sir.
Finish it, sir.
Finished.
Complete it, sir.
1 minute wait, sir.
Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Can we go for next problem?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Go for next problem, sir.
Yes, sir. Shall we go to next problem?
Okay.
Shall we go to next problem?
Starting at the better answer.
Sir, shall we go to next
Okay,
problem?
we will go.
Good evening, sir.
One second. Earphones like that. Okay.
Sir, charging completed, sir.
Can you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can you able to hear me? Can you able to hear?
No,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So some disturbance, sir.
Sir, I can able to hear, sir.
Yes, sir.
What disturbance, sir? Some problem,
Yes,
sir.
Voice is not clear, sir. We are getting disturbance, sir.
Disturbance.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, must mute all number, sir.
Net also is very small, sir.
We go for next problem.
Mute all number, sir.
okay, sir.
Both
Net
also
also
stucking, sir.
Disturbance, sir.
Sir, some disturbance was coming, sir.
No net problem, sir.
Net problem, sir.
Sir. Is it
Sir,
okay now?
some disturbance was. Good evening, sir. Oi.
Disturbance, sir.
Disturbance. Now it is clear.
No net problem, sir.
Is it clear, my dear students? Now?
English class.
Can you able to hear me? Can you able to hear me? Switch on the videos. Can you show the thumb? Can you able to hear me? Okay. Right. Example problem. What is the speed of the body? Let me write the problem here. Second problem. Example problem. What is the speed of the body moving with uniform acceleration, moving with uniform accelerated motion of midpoint of 2 points of midpoint of midpoint of 2 points on a straight line where their speeds are u, v respectively. So what is the speed of the body moving with uniform accelerated motion of midpoint? So here, first let us write the solution here. First you will draw the diagram. We draw the diagram here. So the object, it is moving in a straight line with initial velocity u, and it has attained final velocity v. Now exactly this object came here at midpoint. This is the midpoint. Midpoint. Now you have to calculate exactly what is the speed of the body moving with uniform acceleration at the midpoint. So let the speed at the midpoint. Let the speed at the midpoint v. I am assuming here speed as v naught. I am assuming. That means initial velocity of the object is given, initial velocity u, final velocity v given, and you are asked to calculate the velocity at the midpoint, exactly midpoint. That means this distance is same. This distance also same. Distance is same here. Now we will take, so you know v and u and s from third equation of motion. From third equation of motion. So third equation of motion. Because we know v, u and s. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. Consider this as equation 1. Now you take this one from here at the midpoint. So at the midpoint, this only half distance will come. So s will become s by 2 only from here to here. Now over here, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Initial velocity is same, but final velocity v naught square v naught square, that means midpoint, minus u square is equal to 2a. S means here s by 2, because the object is at midpoint. So you are going to get v naught square minus u square is equal to 2 to get cancelled. As equation 2. You got two equations here. Let me write it down. Now 1 and 2. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. V square minus v naught square minus u square is equal to as. 1, 2. I will divide equation 1 and 2 now. I will divide equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 by equation 2. So what we are going to get? V square minus u square by v naught square minus u square is equal to 2as by as. As will get cancelled. V square minus u square is equal to 2 into cross multiplication. From that, v naught square minus u square is equal to v square minus u square by 2. I will send this minus u square this side. V naught square is equal to v naught square minus u square by 2 plus u square. So this will become v naught square is equal to, take LCM, 2 v square minus u square plus 2 u square. So we are going to get v naught square is equal to v square plus u square by 2. So v naught is equal to root of v square plus u square by 2. This is the speed of the body at the midpoint. This is the speed of the body at the midpoint. Once again, let me explain. The speed, sir. So you are asked to find what is the speed of the body moving with uniform acceleration at the midpoint. That means an object is moving in a straight line where its initial velocity u, final velocity v, and you are asked to find the midpoint. At the midpoint, what is the velocity? So let the speed at the midpoint be v naught. I am assuming here v0. Now, on first equation of motion, v square minus v square is from entire distance. When the body is at midpoint, means it has covered only half distance, s by 2. So when I apply that equation of s, I am going to get s by 2. So I am going to get two equations here. I am going to get two equations. Equation 1 by equation 2. So that at first I am going to get the formula for or the value of the object which is moved with midpoint velocity is v naught is equal to root of u square plus v square by 2. Let me make this photograph. Is it clear now? Hi, friends.
Sir, turn the cam into
Sir, first
problem side, sir.
two, sir.
Problem,
Problem 6.
sir. Problem.
Sir, third line next no
Tell me. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
Move that side, sir.
Move last line.
Sir,
Sir, at the mid of the point there, sir.
I can't able to get you.
Sir, at the mid of the point.
Move
there
right
again.
side, sir.
Sir, move right side, sir.
Sir, right
Is
side.
it okay? Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, why did you take s equals to s by 2, sir? S equals to s by 2.
S is equal to s by 2 means midpoint means total distance is s. So only we want s of distance. That means s by 2. Clear now?
Yes, sir. Sir, and why did you divide equation 1 by equation 2, sir?
For simplification, we want to know the value of v naught
In
square
which situations do we divide in?
For simplification, now we want to get the value of v naught. That's right.
Yes, sir. In
Yes,
which
sir, we can leave,
situations
sir.
will we?
Yes.
In which situations should we divide, sir?
Somebody distance.
Tell me, ma'am.
In which situations should we divide, sir?
Simplification is not, it is our simplification depending on our requirement. First, this two will get cancelled now, so that it is very easy to calculate v naught square. Depending on situation, depending on our convenience.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can we leave, sir?
Sir, waste away.
Sir, move left side, sir. Sir, move left side, sir.
Sir, show one question, sir.
Yes, sir.
Move to left
Yes,
side.
sir.
Sir, before your voice is not clear, sir.
Sir, once show question, sir.
Sir, once show question.
No question, sir.
I have star mark.
Sir,
Sir, please
sir,
come,
please
sir.
move, sir. Sir, please move, sir.
Sir.
Sir, once show question.
Can you see the board, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt on this?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
If you have any doubt on this, we will have a discussion. Once you look at the problem,
Once again, briefly explain this problem.
once again,
Briefly explain this problem again, sir.
again, So your one body is moving here with
Sir,
initial
go
velocity
right
u.
side, sir.
Right side.
Sir,
What more?
mute everyone and
Sir,
say,
you
sir.
want to
Okay,
calculate
sir.
the
Mute, sir.
midpoint, sir?
Okay. Once again, I am explaining. Wait. So the body is moving with initial velocity u and after final velocity v, and you are asked to calculate at the midpoint of the journey what is the initial velocity. So we know v and we know u. Based on first equation of motion, we have written one equation. At the midpoint, distance will become half of the journey because it is the midpoint. From here to here, same distance from here to here. Total distance is s, so it will become s by 2. So for that, v square minus v naught square. I am assuming that the speed of the body at the midpoint is v naught. We have to calculate this v naught. So v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Instead of v, I am going to get v naught square minus u square is equal to 2a s by 2. Here s means distance means s is equal to s by 2. So we are going to get two equations. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. V naught square minus u square is equal to as. We want to calculate v naught. So if you divide, you are going to get as terms will be cancelled. Based on that, I have calculated v naught is equal to root of v square plus u square by 2. So it is a common conclusion that when the body is moving with initial velocity u and final velocity v, the midpoint, at the midpoint, the velocity will be root of v square plus u square by 2. That is final. Tell me, ma. Clear, ma?
Okay, sir.
Sir,
All clear,
sir, why did
Sir,
we take a third equation, sir?
Third equation means already I told no. We have v, u, and s. What is the relation among v, u, and s means? Third equation of motion only, If you take fourth equation, if you take first equation, you won't get the data. Based on the data only, we have to take equation is correct. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
can able to hear some sound. What is that? Somebody is playing something. Okay, sir. That's better. Video.
Sir, please move, sir.
You want to write? Problem written.
Written, sir, not written, sir.
Problem written, sir.
Written, sir.
Okay.
Finish it, sir.
So no more doubt.
No, sir.
Not written, sir.
Huh?
Can fix, sir.
No more doubts, sir.
Amma, I am going to send these two problems. If you message me through WhatsApp, huh?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
If you
WhatsApp on
message
sir,
me through WhatsApp, I am going to send the pics. Tomorrow we will complete all the problems.
Sir, screenshot.
Screenshot. If you message me, you know my number, no, sir.
Sir, every
Okay,
day
sir.
teachers
No, sir.
are
WhatsApp number,
sending,
sir.
sir.
Ma, it is your principals are sending means no problem. If anybody wants to send me message, you can directly send to this number. I will transfer. Okay, na?
Sir,
Okay,
my
sir.
WhatsApp number, sir.
WhatsApp number here only, no. Every day I am going to write. Why you are asking very new here today?
Completed.
Today only, sir.
Completed, because now if I start one more problem, it will take more lengthy problem. It will take more than half an hour. That's why. If you have any doubts, you tell me. I am going to explain.
Sir, keep your cam somewhat down, sir.
Sir, now we
Somewhat
can
down,
do,
sir.
sir.
Down.
Today.
Is it okay?
Sir, why should we
Yes,
take
sir.
V?
Why should we? Tell me, why should we? Somebody is asking doubt. Somebody is asking doubt. Tell me, why should we?
Sir, why should we take this?
I am not getting what you are saying. Ask me one at a time. Ask me one at a time.
V not, sir.
V naught means we are assuming the speed of the body at the midpoint. At the midpoint, we don't know, just our assumption. You can say anything.
Sir,
Completed, sir.
what
Class,
is
sir.
that last word, sir? V square minus u square equals to?
Where?
In second side down, sir. Last one.
Here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
V naught square minus u square is equal to. So this two get cancelled, no? As, this is equation 2.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall we meet tomorrow or you have any doubts?
No doubt.
Tomorrow, sir.
Those who want pics, you send message through WhatsApp. I am going to send. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow we will have some problems, 3 or 4 problems. So day after tomorrow onwards, we will start new
Sir,
chapter.
4:37 only, sir. Time,
Huh? Tell me. Time I know. 4:37 time I know. Now so I can't able to start now another problem because it will take time. Half an hour it will keep. That's why I am just asking you if you have any doubts. Doubt section. Last 10 minutes is doubt section. If you ask doubts means I will clarify. Tell me any doubt.
No, sir. No, sir.
Because
Sir,
yes, tell me.
v square minus u square equals to 2 into v square minus u square.
V square minus U square is equal to. Huh? Question, sir. Focus. Question. See here. Question. Okay, na?
Sir, once again explain, sir, please, sir.
Once again, explain where you are not understood. Tell me. How many times I have to explain where you are not understood?
Yes, sir.
Initial velocity, final velocity given of the body. You have to calculate the velocity at the midpoint. So that's why V naught we have to calculate. That's it. Simple. Very simple.
Once explain third side down equation, sir.
Explain.
Third side down.
Third side.
sir.
This one.
Third side.
Yes, sir. Down.
Simplification. These two equations I am dividing. V square minus U square by V naught square minus U square.
Move right
2AS
side,
by.
sir.
Huh?
Move somewhat right hand side.
Sir, కొంచెం right hand. This one, huh?
No,
This one.
sir. Before one, sir.
This one only.
Yes, sir.
Here you just, this is LHS part, this is RHS part. LHS by LHS is equal to RHS by RHS. AS get cancelled. This is simplification. This is not physics. This is mathematics. Calculation. This is not physics. This is not concept. That is mathematics calculation, ma. Where you are not understood? Tell me. Where you are not understood?
Understood, sir.
Understood.
Ma, this physics is related to mathematics. Whether derivations or problems, you have to practice on the paper after the class. Then only you are going to get doubts. Just by seeing, your doubts will not be clarified. Understood what I am saying?
Yes, sir. Sir,
After the completion of the class, you take one white paper and you try to write the problem. And if you have any doubts, you see. So if you practice the problems only, you are going to get doubts.
sir, why we got 2u, sir? In last side.
Where?
Last side, first one, sir.
Here,
Yes, sir.
LCM, V square minus U square by 2 plus U square, LCM. LCM for these two fractions, LCM. If you treat it as one, LCM.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Clear? LCM,
sir.
we have to take LCM.
Okay, sir.
Here, LCM. LCM you have to take. Okay, shall we meet tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.